Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are listening. The 14th of February 2025. Update from the Office of Special Legal Counsel to the leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, MAZI NNAMDI KANU. Message conveyed by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Thus he said, rising from today's routine visitation with MAZI NNAMDI KANU, he instructed his legal team to issue the following statement. 8 years ago today, I lost my precious parents, their Royal Majesties, Aze, Sir, Israel Okwu, Kanu, JP, and Lolo, Ugoeze, Sally, Nmeme, Okwu Kanu. They sustained injurious trauma from which they never recovered from, whilst 28 other innocent souls were killed, just because the Nigerian Army without provocation launched a deadly assault at our royal home with the sole intention of killing me. Because I survived, they quickly tagged IPOB, a terrorist group, to cover up their horrendous crime and confuse the gullible which has persisted till date. The best tribute is to never forget what happened to them and all who fell in defense of freedom at our home. The Abuja-based murderers and their accomplices in Igboland that ordered this heinous cold-blooded massacre of these innocent souls are still peddling their lies against my legitimate right to freely agitate for Biafra as recognized by the laws of Nigeria. Signed, MAZI NNAMDI KANU, the leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB.